Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have another Google Pixel Fold case for you, and it is from Caseology. This is the Parallax case for the Google Pixel Fold. This video is brought to you by Amazon Vine. I did not pay for this case, but it's not going to change how I feel about the case. Understand that as an Amazon Vine member, I am giving certain things to review, and I'm expecting to give my honest review. So this is my honest review unboxing of the Parallax case from Caseology. So let's get into this box. It's been a minute since I've had a Caseology case, but usually they make a pretty strong product. There will be an affiliate link in the description. You click on that, I get a kickback. It doesn't cost you any more, it doesn't cost you any less, but you're supporting the channel. So check that out. Easy open case as always from Caseology. They said they're earth friendly. This is a very paper box. It should be recyclable. And there's not much to it. They show you what it's supposed to be on the inside, model numbers on the bottom, and like I said, just not much to it. Barcodes on the back. I like to say this is pretty minimalistic. It has some grooves back here in the back. It's gonna make it pretty grippy for you. They got some instructions in here, tell you how to install everything. And welcome to the club, happy to have you. Thank you for trusting us, make a difference, and we're not happy till you are. So if you have any issues, you can contact them. They have their social media and their email in here. This is gonna be one of our cases that has the adhesive strips. Of course, you don't ever see me install those because I change cases an awful lot, but they give you extra. So we'll put those to the side. We're gonna take the foam out of here, and yeah. You would think that's a kickstand. It's not. It's just design. It's various textures on here. I like that. It's very textured at the top, the grooves in the middle, and that same texture that's at the top is at the bottom. You can't get all that from looking at it online. I'll tell you that. I did not notice all that was there. In the front, this is kind of made like the OEM case where it has a little dip in the side for you to get your fingerprint in there. I'll show you when we get that on. And there's grooves all the way around. All the grip you could need in the world for this case. Let's install. So if we were putting our adhesive strips in, I'm pretty sure we would align one here because it looks like it should go there. Snaps in, feels nice, I like that. The real moment of truth, is it going to pull up my matte screen protector? I'm about half and half when it comes on cases, y'all. Ooh, look at it. Close it up a little on the side. All right, let's see. Yeah, it would pull up a screen protector, just let you know, it's FYI, it's pulled up from the bottom here and here. I do like this case. If you're using the glass one, you might be fine. Just the glass alone. I have a matte protector on my hinge. It seems to be fine. Hinge is great. Come across the bottom, we have our holes and cutouts for speakers and microphone and for your charging port. Like I said, it has that groove in there, so it's really good and easy to get to your buttons. I love this on a case. Anytime I see that dip, it looks like a slide to where you can just ease into your cases. See, I just unlocked it that easily. That's what you want. Power button, volume rocker, all the way open for you. And the top, you have your mic and speaker holes. On the back, slight lip for our camera. There's some protection there. And again, it's just a case with a nice feel, and it doesn't add too much to this. I'm pulling this front off because it's driving me nuts because it's messing with my screen protector. Again, if you don't have the matte, you should be fine. This is just one of these things where I have a matte, so if it doesn't cut perfectly, the case doesn't work for me, which, you know, I'll give my review on Amazon and let people know if they have a matte protector on their phone, they probably want to stay away, but if they're doing just the glass, they'll be fine. This has been my unboxing and review of the Caseology Parallax case for the Google Pixel Fold. If you have any questions or comments on this video, please leave them below. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. If you've enjoyed multiple videos on this channel, you might want to subscribe. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you'd like to know what those privileges are, please click on the join button and see what you have to experience there. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money, and I hope to catch you on my next video. Holla!